How to create Revolut account 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly discussing on how you're going to be making your very own Revolut account. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your Revolut application and you're going to run it up. Now, Revolut has a very easy account onboarding experience. All you're going to need to do is just add a few details like your email address and whatnot. So we're going to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, as you can see, Revolut starts loading in. Now, it says this screen is hidden to protect your personal information. So you're pretty much gonna wait for it to load all the things in. And once everything is done and good to go, what happens from there is that you are taken to the main section of Revolut. So once you have gone through and added all of your relevant details here, it's going to start asking you your country of residence and where you live, etc. So simply go ahead and add in wherever you are, available. And once we've done that, we're going to click on accept and continue. And what happens from there is it's going to go ahead and bring you to another onboarding screen. Now, once you have gone ahead and added all of your details, you're simply going to go ahead and scan some documents. And once you've done that and confirmed your citizenship, as you can see, your Revolut account is now open and ready to use. And that is basically how easy it is to go ahead and use Revolut and create an account for it. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.